Welcome to our tutorial on the solid combine command. I have two sketches here. They're at 90 degrees to each other. If I right-click on the sketch, select Change Sketch Support, I can see it is supported by the YZ plane. The other sketch is supported by the ZX plane. Okay, click on the background to deselect everything. And now I will select the Solid Combine command from the Sketch-Based Features toolbar. The Combine Definition window opens. For my first profile, I'll select this one. For my second, this one. Let's click Preview. Now we see a preview of the combined solid created from the projected intersection of these two profiles. We can select the direction of how the profiles intersect. I'm going to select this line as the intersection direction for the first profile. Click Preview. And this concludes our tutorial on the solid combine command.